On display here we have the Bose Solo Soundbar 2. This is kind of a shorter soundbar. Here's my hand, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of sense of the sizing on this thing. It's not real wide, but it fit real good underneath a smaller TV. Here's some of the features of this TV. Oh, it's already giving me the sound sample. Let's see if I can stop that. Okay. Here's some of the features on this TV here if you guys want to do a little screenshot. And let's go ahead and listen to some of the sound samples. I'll turn it up. All right, that's a little bit of a sound sample of the theater sound. Now this does have the Hear Conversations Better mode with dial. It's got that built-in Dolby decoding. I gotta turn that thing down. It's got Bluetooth enabled. It's clear natural sound, bass boost. Includes a wall bracket with this sound bar here, which is very convenient if you are going to be hanging this thing on the wall. Probably a lot of people are going to do what the display is and just put it on their TV stand, but hopefully this gives you a general idea of what to expect if you're in the market to buy the Bose Solo Soundbar 2.